The 1962 Water Agreement is not an ordinary agreement. The 1962 Water Agreement was guaranteed by both Malaysia and Singapore. This guarantee is in the 1965 Separation Agreement, which in turn was registered with the United Nations. Any breach of the 1962 Water Agreement would call into question the Separation Agreement. And members will remember that the Separation Agreement is the basis for Singapore's very existence as an independent sovereign state. Singapore will fully honor the terms of the 1962 Water Agreement, including the price of water that's stipulated in that agreement, and we expect Malaysia to do so. The core issue is not how much we pay, but how any price revision is decided upon. Neither Malaysia nor Singapore can unilaterally change the terms of agreement between our two countries. Malaysia lost its right to review the price of water under the 1962 Water Agreement in 1987. Again, this is not a new point. We have made this point publicly on multiple occasions. In fact, Malaysia has previously acknowledged that they themselves chose not to ask for a review in 1987 because they benefited. They benefited from the pricing arrangement under the 1962 Water Agreement. Johor currently buys treated water from Singapore at 50 Malaysian cent per 1,000 gallons. This price, and in fact even the volume, is provided for under the 1962 Water Agreement. Members of this House will know that 50 Malaysian cent per 1,000 ringgit is a fraction of the true cost of treating that water. Hence, in 2002, then Prime Minister Dr. Mahathir, in his first incarnation, said that Malaysia did not ask for a review when it was due, as Malaysia knew that any revision would also affect the price of treated water sold by Singapore to Malaysia. The then Johor State Assembly Speaker, Zainal Abidin Mohamed Zain, also said, and let me quote what he said. He said, there was no point in pressing for a review of the water price in 1986 because Johor was dependent on Singapore for its treated water supply. And Singapore would have also increased its price of treated water sold to Johor, unquote.